let's open the questions book here at the end, where you have the comparative and superlative forms of some adjectives in English. And let's practice, please, equality comparations using all these adjectives. As, adjective, as, adjective, as. Remember that I want you to do it like always you do. The bus was as full as the bus 5 minutes ago. And if you want or if you can infer, maybe with another question or a personal opinion, etc. Thank you. Equal comparations. Okay, give you your attention again. Superiority comparations with adverbs. Before we started with adjectives, but now with adverbs. The superiority comparison is for by adding the ending er to the adverbs of one syllable. You know, monosyllables. Example, fast, faster than. Note, with the comparative adverbs, we also use the comparative word than. With the adverb early, change this y by I. Here, early, earlier than. Example, this winter came earlier than the last year. Open your student book, lesson number 7, page number 49, and do this conversation practice using the superiority comparison. I drive carefully than my sister because I always drive very slowly. In all these adverbs, change li by IER, and in this case they are irregular. Here you have the pronunciations, just with the adverbs. Badlier than, carefully than, carelessly than, happily than, immediately than, louder than, noisier than, quicker than, quieter than, softlier than, slower than, softlier than, terribler than. And in this case, they don't change. Faster than, well done, and harder than, harder than, and faster than, because they are monosyllables. Only this one is the same. Well done. Inferiority comparations with adverbs. The construction of the superiority comparison with adverbs is the same to all the adverbs, using less, the adverb, and than. Example, my cousin studies less happily than my niece. Equality comparations with adverbs. The construction of the equality comparison with adverbs is the same to all the adverbs. As, adverb, as. Example, I drive as carefully as my uncle. Equality. With the comparative adjectives, we use the verb to be. With the comparative adverbs, we use any other verb except to be. Here you can see that we are using another verb, not the verb to be. Okay, using the same adverbs on page number 49, I want you to give some examples using the equality comparisons. Example, I dance as badly as my brother. Okay, pay attention carefully to these adverbs. Well and badly because they have irregular forms. Well, better than for superiority comparisons. Badly, worse than. It could be for superiority and inferiority comparisons. Well, badly. Not as well, not as badly as. For equality comparisons. Well, badly, less well, less badly than. For inferiority comparisons using adverbs. Important notes. We can also use more and less with verbs. With birds. Example, cats sleep more than dogs. With long adjectives, we use more and then for the comparisons with adjectives. Listen to me, adjectives. Popular, interesting, inexpensive, expensive. Example, dogs are more intelligent than cats. Don't change anything here. Nothing. Keep the adjective exactly the same way of writing and pronunciation. Thank you. Hello, it's me again. Let's open your student book. Lesson number 14. Let's listen to the CD. After that, let's listen to the mini conversation and finally answer the questions that you have here in the conversation practice.
Conversation. Ralph and Doris have just come back from a trip in the country. They are talking to Kevin and comparing two towns that they visited, Boswell and Highland Springs.
Which did you prefer, Boswell or Highland Springs?
Well, some things were better in one place, others were worse. But we liked them both. Have you been there?
No, never.
I just loved Highland Springs. It isn't as busy as Boswell. It's cleaner, happier, and the people are more relaxed.
And much friendlier.
Is the cost of living higher in Boswell?
No, we found that things actually cost less there.
That's strange. It's normally more expensive in bigger towns than in small places.
Yes, but unfortunately, Highland Springs has become very popular with tourists. So everything is less expensive in Boswell.
What's the weather like in that area?
It's much nicer in Highland Springs. You never know what to wear in Boswell.
When we first arrived, we couldn't understand why everybody carried umbrellas.
But we soon found out.
Yes, when we left the hotel the next morning, it was beautiful and sunny, and suddenly it became cloudy and began to rain.
So the weather's very changeable.
Yes, from wet to wetter.
Mini conversation 1.
What kind of washing machine do you have?
Brand X.
Oh, it's the same as mine.
Yes, but yours is a newer model.
Well, they say you can't compare them because the older models are so much better than the new ones. You can wash much more in them. Mini conversation 2.
I don't understand why you think Benny is going to win the fight.
Because he weighs more, he hits harder, and he's smarter than Clint.
Well, Clint is certainly a lot more popular than Benny.
I don't know why he's not as good.
Let's open your student book and let's do the exercise A and B, page number 99. Exercise A. Ask and answer, use cue book chart number 4. And the objective from, start with detective. For example, change what is underlined. What was the other this detective like? He wasn't as careful as this one. If you need any help, please read carefully all the grammar summary about comparisons. Exercise B, answer the question, use cue book chart 8. Example, do you like that seat? Yes, it's very comfortable or comfortable. 5 minutes to do the exercise A and about 8 or 10 minutes to do the exercise B. Okay, let's do the developing your skills, the exercise B. Here on the first example, use the comparative form. What did you think of the test? It was more difficult than I expected. When right here is he, she, and it, use was. For the rest, were. And here, exercise C, use cue book chart 4. Example, how did she sing? Because right here is did, use the verb in the simple past. She sang more loudly than she used to sing. Here is going to be simple form, simple past, simple form. Simple form, because right here is did. Simple past, because it's an affirmative answer. The comparison with adverbs. And simple form, because right here used to. Okay, now let's open the questions book. The page number 21, lesson 14. And answer the questions. Please do not permit your partner to see the questions when you are asking them to him or her. I know maybe you are going to be on the phone, but it's easy to ask this favor to him or her. Where's Sanya, in Orosi or Limon? Well, it depends, but normally it's Sanya in Limon. Do you like Limon? Well, not really very much, because I don't like the places where the weather is really hot. This is what I intend you to do. Try to go on with the conversation a little while. Okay, in our questions practice book, look for the listening from lesson 1 to 20 and go back 1-2 pages. Look for and identify this question. Where have you been since yesterday night? I've been working and sleeping. And go from the number 1 to the number 20 and pay special attention to some comparisons. For example, this one, look. Is our capital city more beautiful than Cartago? No, our capital city isn't more beautiful than Cartago. Or affirmative. And remember, I always invite you to speak a little longer about it. Thank you very much. We are going to do an oral exam the next Tuesday, and I'm going to send you the questions and what lessons will be the exam about. Have a nice night and a nice weekend.